Hey everyone, and welcome to a new video. This is the Budget Hack, the channel where we talk about personal finance made simple and practical. Whether you're looking to save money, start investing, or just figure out how to make your budget work, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a helpful tip. Let's be honest, $100 doesn't go far these days. A few groceries, a dinner out, maybe your gas tank half full. But what if you could flip that $100 and turn it into $1,000 in a matter of weeks or months? No lottery tickets, no crypto gambling, just smart, practical strategies that real people, just like you, are using right now to grow small amounts of money fast. Why does this matter? Because most people believe they need to have a ton of money to start building wealth. That's false. What you really need is a new mindset, one that says, every dollar is a seed. You can spend it once, or plant it and let it grow. In this video, I'm going to break down 3 proven ways to turn $100 into $1,000. These are strategies I've used personally or watched others do successfully, and I'll show you exactly how you can replicate them starting today. Number 1. Flip local products for profit. Let's start with something anyone can do, flipping items for profit. Here's what I did. I took $100 and hit up garage sales, thrift stores, and Facebook Marketplace. The goal? Find undervalued items people just want to get rid of. Think old video game consoles, tools, small furniture, electronics, even vintage home decor. At a yard sale, I picked up an old Nintendo Wii for $20. Still working, just dusty. Cleaned it up, took nice photos, and sold it for $120 in 2 days. Then I bought a bundle of tools for $50. Drills, bits, and a circular saw, sold them individually for $200. In 2 weeks, my $100 turned into $340. And I kept flipping. That $340 became $780 over 2 more rounds. Tips to make this work. Check completed listings on eBay before buying, use clean, well-lit photos, list on multiple platforms, FB Marketplace, OfferUp, Craigslist. Be responsive and polite with buyers. Yes, it takes effort, but you don't need special skills, just time, hustle, and a little patience. Number 2, sell a skill. You don't think you don't have any skills worth selling? Think again. With just $100, you can invest in a mini digital skill and start selling services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Here's how it works. Use $50 to get a short course on Skillshare or Udemy. Something quick like Canva design, writing product descriptions, podcast editing, resume formatting, voiceovers with AI tools like 11 Labs. Then, take $30, $50 to get Canva Pro, ChatGPT Plus, or even a cheap microphone. And boom, you've got a simple online service ready to sell. Real example. My friend Sarah learned basic Pinterest design on Canva in a weekend. She started charging $10 per Pinterest pin. In 30 days, 45 orders. That's $450. She reinvested part of it into improving her skills. Now she's doing $1 $200 month part-time while still working a full-time job. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone who needs the task done. Number 3, passive growth with ETFs. Maybe you're not into flipping or freelancing, and that's okay. You can still turn $100 into more with smart, steady investing. Now let me be clear. This one isn't fast in terms of hours or days, but it's fast compared to traditional savings, and it compounds. I took $100 and invested it in dividend-paying ETFs like SCHD, VOO, or VTI through M1 Finance. I reinvested the dividends automatically, and after 1 year, it grew to $162. That's a 62% increase thanks to timing, growth, and compounding. Now imagine doing that every single month. $100 per month for 12 months. With modest returns, you could have $1,200, $1,500 within a year. Use Roth IRAs, tax-advantaged accounts, and platforms with no trading fees to maximize returns. You're building long-term wealth while doing literally nothing. Passive income at its finest. So, can you really turn $100 into $1,000? Absolutely, if you treat your money like a tool, not a trophy. Let's recap. Flip local products for fast cash. Sell a digital skill using Fiverr or Upwork. Invest in low-cost ETFs for compounding growth. No excuses, no waiting until you're ready. Start with what you have. $100 is enough to create momentum. If this video gave you even one idea, do me a favor. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the Budget Hack for weekly money tips that actually work. And comment below, Which one are you going to try first? Remember, your first $1,000 starts with the next $100. Don't sleep on it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a financial boost. Got questions or tips of your own? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss any of our weekly hacks to make the most of your money. See you in the next video. And remember, small steps lead to big changes.